High-volume production parts are usually created by moulding, casting or forging, all of which require the production of some kind of mould, tool or die. Creating these, modelling for manufacture, is where PowerShape excels. Autodesk PowerShape is the ideal modelling companion for CAM software such as PowerMill or FeatureCAM, allowing you to create the complex 3D geometry that you need to control your multi-axis or high-speed machine tools. PowerShape operates on 3D data regardless of which system created it, and no matter what format: solids, surfaces, wireframe, even meshes. Once imported, intelligent analysis tools automatically detect and repair critical faults that could complicate downstream processes. Unlike many CAD systems, PowerShape does not insist on you fully repairing a solid before you can do any further work. Many commands, including powerful direct modelling tools, still work even on faulty solids. When creating cavities, cores and slides from a 3D part, PowerShape guides you through an easy-to-use wizard. In most cases, the shutouts and split faces are created fully automatically, leaving you with minimal work to do to create the finished mould. To further support the production of moulds and dies, PowerShape contains dedicated tools to assist in the design and manufacture of electrodes for electrical discharge machining, or EDM. Wizards guide you through the entire process, from design through to machining, and even to driving the EDM hardware itself, eliminating costly errors and saving you time. PowerShape: import, analyze, fix and prepare complex models for manufacture.